Tassimo T21 with water in the back. You can simply take it off the water. Here's the water. Fill it up, pop it in. It fills up here with the tab. Put in your tea disc. Already a tea disc in there. It's used. There's the tea disc. Just happens to be McDonald's McCafe tea disc. You put it in like that. Close it up. Put your cup. I'm going to use a glass here. But put your cup there. And turn it on. We'll just plug it in here. And we'll switch it on. You're going to see a light. There it is. The light is orange. Now open, close. The light goes green. We don't have enough water. So what are we going to do? We're going to pop the water. We're going to fill this up with water like this. Now we're gonna wait for it to fill up with water. Okay, it's filled up enough with water. We're gonna pop it in. Gonna close. There we go. Now, for a fresh cup of coffee, it's just press and we'll see what happens. We should get a fantastic cup of coffee right here from the Tassimo T21 is brewing this cup of coffee. It only takes, what, a couple of minutes to brew this perfect McDonald's McCafe coffee in the Tassimo T21. It is an amazing coffee maker. It brews the most fantastic cup of coffee imaginable. It is so good. It does second cup. It does McCafe coffee. It does Tim Hortons. It has a whole vast array of different types of fantastic premium coffee. The very best coffee you can buy. And it's all done with a machine, a Tassimo machine. They have different models. This is one model. They have various models. And there, folks, is your cafe. Done in how long? I'd say less than 2 minutes. It's just stopping. Once that light goes orange, yellow, it is done. There is your coffee made. When that goes yellow orange, it's ready to drink. We'll just wait for a few more seconds. Should be about 10 seconds when that starts flashing. The light will go orange yellow. We're waiting. Should go orange yellow. And it's just on the cool down mode now. It's just cooling down. They say don't open this until that goes orange yellow because there might be problems. So never open this until that goes, or now it's orange yellow. We have our coffee. It's a little hot. Wow, that's a fantastic cup of coffee. Made by the T21 Tassimo. Buy it.